everybody, this is the girl Yvonne coming back to you with another video. And guess who I have here? This is my son, my sweet little son, Controversy. His name is CJ. Well, you know, he's a rapper, you know, in the house. Welcome, my son. Yeah. And this is his sweet girlfriend right here. So welcome in the house. Tell him what your name. Tell him about you. Tell him.
Taylor.
Oh, what are you looking on, Taylor? Talk. She's shy.
I'm shy, yeah.
You're shy. No, we're not shy in the house here now. We're gonna be expressing ourselves real good. But anyway, guys, I want to thank you for being here with me, and I thank you for the new subscribers that you have been giving me. And guys, thank you for watching my videos and for bigging me up. And those who are giving my shout out, like Bobby Jean Lane TV, I want to shout you out, guys. Enough love to you, Bobby Jean Lane TV. Enough love to Jewel in the kitchen. Enough love to Valentine, Sarita, relaxing music. Wow, I just love you guys so much. Big up. Anyway, guys, today I have some Jamaican food here. Some Jamaican platter. I have decided to do this because my son's girlfriend, she has never had Jamaican food before. I say, you know what? It's a perfect opportunity for her to get down into this, you know, and just enjoy some of it. But I have some mix. I have the yellow rice. And the yellow rice is originated from Cuba. My grandmother brought this dish to us when she came to Jamaica. So I just decided to incorporate it in this diet here. And also the Spanish on the whole, like the Mexicans, they use this yellow rice a lot. And I have some baked chicken here that I bake, you know, in the house. I bake some chicken. And then I have some nice curry goat. So there you go, guys. Some nice curry goat. She said everything sounds interesting. Got you never hear this yet.
Now sometimes my mom has a lot of stories that she don't tell us. Not that she doesn't mean to tell us, but they just come out through different things like that with the rice. I didn't know that personally, but just me
yeah, so there's a lot of things you guys don't know, because you know it's so hard. You know what I mean? Sometimes I don't even know what to tell you. You just have to just listen. And because sometimes when I talk, you raised in America is like it going through one ear and coming out one ear, but I live the life, so I can talk it, and there's not much of me around to really come out with it for them to even embrace it.
Mom, it's just a boundary.
Yeah.
Because one is a generational boundary, two is a cultural boundary.
Yes.
When we come together, we will never fail.
You get
love is always the answer.
I know that was all the answer.
Continue.
Yes. But here we have some rice and peas. And you guys know the real rice and peas, Jamaican rice and peas. And we have some real steamed cabbage here in the house, yeah? Some real steamed cabbage. Yes, right there, yeah. And then we have some escovitch fish, guys. Some escovitch fish. Look, my head can't even look over. Look at that. Look at that. My escovitch fish. Let me take out the spoon here.
It looks fine.
Oh, see it? You see it? See it? Escovitch fish. That's fish fried with a lot of pepper and onions and stuff like that. So, and then we have, you know, because I'm going to be using a green screen, this green going to look a different color, but this is the Jamaican ting. Ting is a combination of it's sparkling grapefruit flavored beverage. And it's with lime and grapefruit, and it's very nice for the throat. And if you have a cold, or you know, this is what we drink a lot in Jamaica. We just pop it and say, you know, mate, you know, we just get down. You know, so I love you too, my son. I love you too. Do you love me too?
Yeah, I love you. Yeah. You want me over.
Yes, I can't eat off all this food, guys. So guess what? I have to make sure that I serve it in another plate in case, because my son is not a big eater. I don't know what she will be eating because she has never eaten this food before. And I don't want my food to waste because, you know.
People, you're watching this, you already know how this food hits. It's
phenomenal.
I have no appetite right now, but I'm going to eat some. We're going to, I told you before the real start. Don't even look at me like that. I have no appetite right now, but I'm going to eat some. I'm going to try some, and then all the real Jamaicans know this is a staple. Rice and peas. Come on now.
Staple rice. And then this is my aquafina, my aquafina.
If you watch this, you gotta reach out.
Okay, all right. Now, all ends were washed before, so I don't care what they want. I'm gonna be eating. Here, get me. So get a plate and start doing some stuff. You want chicken? You want start? You can put your hand in there and take out what you want. Cause I'm gonna get
a little bit of the rice, a little bit of the cabbage, a little bit of the fish. For the viewers at home, I don't eat meat, so.
Yeah, we don't.
got the fish on behalf of me. I think she's very thoughtful. I appreciate it.
And I got the jerk chicken on behalf of her. Yeah, because you know, the bone might stop in her throat. And this rice and peas, guys, can actually eat without.
Like for real, that's like Jamaicans know it's a staple. Like it's a staple. You know what I'm saying?
Okay. All right.
Yeah,
I'm gonna be.
Yeah.
No, this is not oxtail. This is goat meat.
Oh. Goat.
Yeah.
Let me back up. Damn, Mom. I said she out here eating like a damn king.
What's about it, huh?
Hey, but you gotta try some of this goat though. Like,
yeah, it's nice.
You gotta try some. It tastes like, it sounds like it tastes crazy, but I'm already know.
You eat beef? You eat beef?
Yeah, I just don't eat seafood.
Okay,
right.
You don't eat seafood, that's fine.
It's a texture thing, not a taste thing.
Okay, but taste it. If you eat cow meat, you can't eat goat meat.
It's crazy. It's like chickens and cows are like what people eat all the time, but it's just like there's different things people eat. That's like, it seems like it's weird, but it's not even really all that weird.
Come. Why are you hiding from the camera? Come on. Come.
You're not about to devour it.
Yes, come here. Come up some more. Eat with your hands. Suck it off. Yeah.
I like how the real ones at home notice that I haven't had a plate yet. It's just my conversation. Nah, keep it going though. Keep on. It's all good. How's the food, everybody? I ain't gonna lie, y'all. This looks very good. I know y'all see I wish I could give y'all a point of view with my side. What my side doesn't look like. It looks.
You like it?
Yeah, that right. Show business. Nah, for real, that's what our show business be like. You be like, I swear it was longer than that. Like, you know what I'm saying?
God.
Oh my God.
They already
You like it?
It
tastes good?
I don't eat meat. I already know it's fine.
This is oh my God, guys. That means it's good.
Time to crack on some Ting, y'all. Hey, shout out Ting. Ting, reach out. Stop playing.
So you love it. This is what I'm talking about.
It just tastes like Jamaica. Baby.
You want something? When we eat here, we say, yeah.
I'm gonna crack open your Ting for you, Mom.
That's the rice for me.
Rice is like
nice, right?
It's a staple, baby. Like, in every video you gotta be in, Mom. Even if you have guest stars, you gotta be in the middle.
Yeah.
Your show.
Yes, guys.
Ooh, I wasn't expecting that spice.
Yeah.
You don't like spice?
No, I love it.
Watching. Ting. Watching. It's not even like that, but Ting, you already know it's good.
I love spice.
Sponsorship dollars for you means everything.
Guys, you finally listen to my son.
But just know that they see you, so they see you, they see me.
Not really. It tastes good?
Yeah.
It tastes like a beach at sunset in Jamaica.
So you like it?
Like, this is good.
Guys, I'm holding down because the plate is crowded. The area is crowded, so I don't even know how to eat here. But Mm?
I'm in such a happy place right now.
Thank you.
I just love food so much and it's so good.
Hello. So if you want to eat with me, you just come when it's time. We just eat. I eat every day.
Let me see. I think that's my
That's an alarm.
what do they call that? I think that's my call, guys. For the people at home, I love you.
Okay, go ahead.
What's your name? What's your name, Mom? Go ahead, talk to the camera one time.
Guys, this call is here. So he's gonna take his call.
It's not that my
Okay.
It's not my call.
Whose call is it?
It's an alarm. I think it went off. Nah, never mind. What time is it? It's an alarm at 6 o'clock.
Oh, go. Are you praying?
Yeah.
Okay, go and pray.
Yeah, everybody at home, I love you. I hope everybody have a good night. I don't know what y'all doing, but you know what I'm saying. And this is the part where it's like starts.
Okay. Walk under the table.
Shout out Martin Luther King, you know what I'm saying? Black History Month. We family. Hey, all my black people at home, pro-black. You know it, you see it. You know what I'm saying? Shout out Breonna Taylor. All the names. And then we out. Got my thing for you more?
Yes, my son had to leave.
You're both beautiful.
So guys, my son didn't have no food. You can imagine it? But I'm gonna still be eating there. Let me just put this one right here. I'll put this right here. Some more if you want some more rice?
Yes.
Oh yes,
Right.
you're on some more rice. I'm telling you, it's delicious. Take out what you want.
Not too much.
Okay.
Yeah, there we go. That's good.
All right. That's what we do around here. We eat. Let me take some more because I am going to be eating. I love the it's goat meat or they call it lamb. So
It's really good.
you want to eat? You want to taste the fish? You can have all the chicken. You want all the? I bought the bring the chicken for you. The chicken is for you.
Thank you.
It's for you to
very good.
taste the jerk chicken. So guys, let me just take some of this out of the way so you can see my mouth going smackety smack. Smackety smack. And she love it. That's what I'm telling you.
It's very good.
I'm telling you, the first time she ever had Jamaican food and she said it's very good.
I'm here every day.
Okay. All right. This is
It's the rice for me. I love rice.
When I go to India, oh my God, I'm using this spoon. I'd rather eat this spoon. I think fork take too long. No way. I'm gonna eat it with my spoon. Yeah, when I eat this spoon, I get a better mouthful. Yeah, go ahead, enjoy your chicken, my child. Enjoy the chicken.
It's really good.
It's really good. Okay. Put your plate right there. Let me move this out of the way also. So if you want more, I want you to full.
So it's very like authentic. There's
Yeah.
a lot of places that I go and order jerk chicken. It does not taste like this.
You mean Jamaican jerk chicken?
Yeah, you know, a lot of places out here they'll be like jerk style, I guess. Oh, it
Mhm.
doesn't taste like this. It's amazing.
So you have eaten jerk chicken before, like Jamaican jerk chicken?
Yeah, I guess like an Americanized
Okay.
spin-off. Because it doesn't taste like this.
Okay.
Let me so full and happy.
Yeah. You want a napkin?
Yes, please.
There you go.
Thank you.
I said when I was in Jamaica, living with my grandmother and my mother, my grandmother always cook enough to expect visitors. Somebody's coming. Miss Pastor! My grandmother used to say, whoo! Who can remember those days? Whoo! She said, who that? He said, me, Bonnie. She said, come. She said, yeah, what do you have to eat? And those days, you had butchers, you had farmers, you have all kind of people. And when they passed, because my grandmother cooked a lot, and she used to have a shop that she sells, and she cooks, used to have the farmers then bring ground provision, the butcher bring meat, and when they pass by, they just get their food to eat, and they just gone home. It was so nice. Yeah, my grandma, because she traveled, she was just so social with people, you know, all over the community. Everybody loved her. Everybody wanted to come to help.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? And then she used to have the boys them in the community, like they didn't really have much to eat. She used to cook, and so she feed them. They used to have to wash up the dishes and wash the pot. So you want to see them scraping the pot. Alcohol she cooking them, man. She used to. I only hope you're eating up all that. Cause we don't eat meat. We leave.
Oh no, I'm
Okay, all right. Get down to the bowl. We don't waste food around here. You want cabbage? You don't want any cabbage?
Oh my gosh, I forgot about the cabbage.
Okay. Here's the cabbage.
It's like Thanksgiving.
Yeah, this is what we do around here. You want fish?
Yeah, I'll try some.
Okay. I want to see what real Jamaican fish tastes like.
If it's anything like the rest, I'm sure it's gonna be good.
Yeah, man.
I'm gonna sleep after all this food. She said, oh my gosh, guys. Oh my gosh, man, it's so good. I'm telling you. Always wanted to go to Jamaica. You wouldn't want to come back. You wouldn't want to come back. I believe it.
Jamaica, no problem. The people so warm and friendly. It's like whenever you meet a Jamaican, it's like you don't meet a stranger. Everybody is so loving. And everybody greeting you with a smile. What's happening? And they'll be talking to you like they know you from last year. Like they know you, like they grew up with you and everything. Guys, I am going to be devouring this lamb here. You don't want no more of the lamb? You know?
I'm getting full now.
You getting full now? So you think you can eat the fish? You think you can go?
So.
You don't think so? You're full.
So.
Okay, you're full. No problem. She is full, guys. Huh. I want her to be full. I want her to see how we feed people in the house.
Very satisfied.
Very full. Girl. She's bursting. But I'm happy that you enjoy this meal. I really do. I really, really do. I went all out just to entertain you.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
So good.
Guys, she's not going to be smacking like me, you know. She's going to be so prim and proper. She better start smacking them out. Smacking them out, yeah. We don't play with food around here. Yeah, you hear that? We don't play with food around here. This is my typical food that we eat.
You won me over.
So we won her over. You got it. Guys, we have come to the end of this video and I want to thank you. It was amazing. So talk to the camera. Tell them what you think. Tell them what you think about the food.
It was really good. It was amazing. Oh my gosh.
So, if you can't eat no more of this fish, don't push it. Because you don't want to lay down and uncomfortable. But I'm going to be going up to my Aquafina, Fina. I can't go without my Aquafina. So guys, you know how it goes. I'm going to be tearing this up. Yep. You don't drink water after you eat? You don't want water? You want water?
Yeah.
There you go, I brought enough water.
Can't go wrong with water.
You ain't go wrong with Aquafina. No way. No way, Aquafina.
Oh yeah, that was the icing on it.
Feel good. All right, guys. There she goes. So what do you have to tell people? Come on.
I'm very happy. It was great.
It was great.
Yeah.
100%. 100%. It was very, very nice. So, what other food you have eaten before? Apart from what other food have you not eaten, I should say? Have you ever eaten African food?
No. I don't think so. Oh, I haven't.
You have not?
Nope.
I guess you're missing out because I've been having some African food and it's really tasty. Very good, very good. And you have not eaten that type of fish before? You want to still taste it?
I don't think I have any more room.
You don't have any more room. Okay, we can go up on this later. Next time.
I'm coming back.
Anyway, guys, it was nice having you here, and I really appreciate you being here watching this video. So you have seen a little bit of my son, and you have seen a little bit of my son's girlfriend, and you have seen me all the time alone. So now it is getting there. It is getting there. They kind of feel a little better about joining me in the video little by little. So it is growing, guys, and I really appreciate their presence, and most of all, I appreciate you guys. So I want to send my enough love and respect to all my lovely friends who have been supporting me on this channel, and I want to say enough love, blessing, one love, one heart. Let's get together and feel alright. You hear me say, brethren? One love, one heart. Give thanks and praise to the Lord, and I will feel alright. Alright? So enough love. So guys, just like, share, and subscribe to my channel. And don't forget to ring the notification bell. And like my grandmother used to say, if you can't be good, be careful. Walk good, guys.